Hi, buddy. It's time to wake up. You need to get out of bed and start the day. You can help me blow some balloons. Don't press the snooze button, okay? It's me, Pennywise the Clown. We're not strangers anymore, buddy, so get out of bed.